Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very easy look, which is going to be a holiday inspired look, which you can always wear it in any festive. You can just wear it as you wish. This look can be worn any time of the year. It's not specific to holiday. It's just that I was in a mood of a holiday, so I said, why not? Let's go ahead and do a holiday look. And so let's go ahead and do a holiday look. So without any further delay, let's get on to our makeup chair. But before that, please do subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so that you get the notification for free. I have already gone ahead and done my base and all the products that I have used. I have done my foundation, my concealer, my eyebrows, my bronzer. Okay, and whatever products I have used, I'm going to go ahead and list it down in the description box, so do check that out. So for eye makeup today, I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetic brand, which is this. This has recently launched in the GCC. I'm not sure about other countries, but it is currently available in the UAE. Okay, it is mostly in the Center Point. I'm not sure if there is any other store that has Sugar Cosmetics, but it's a very, very affordable brand. Plus, it is beautiful. So maybe at the end of the video, I will show you all the products that I have bought from Sugar Cosmetics so that you can choose and pick which ones do you want. But now let's move on to the eyes. I'm going to keep it very simple because we do not want to waste too much time in getting ready because we are on a holiday and it's holiday season. So let's keep it simple yet attractive. So the first color that I'm going to use today is going to be this color. Okay. They are highly pigmented, so be very careful. Let's use this in our crease. And then I'm going to just take this color to buff it out. Now let's do the same thing on the other eye and I will be back. And then I'm going to take this beautiful reddish color and apply it outside or the outer corner. Sorry. Keep your hands very, very light in this. This is all you need. Make sure that you take very little at a time because of the pigment. If you take excess product, you may find it patchy. So just be very careful on that piece. Now for the next, I'm very confused because I just love this shade. I love this shade. I love this shade. I love this shade. But because you're going to keep it a little festive, I'm going to use this and we'll see how it works. So we're going to try. Oh my god. It is so, so pretty. So what I'm going to do is, because I like the two shades, I'm going to put it on the half. Okay. Just going to dab it all over. And for the inner corners, or you can say the 1/4 of the eye, I'm going to use this shade. We're going to use everything together. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this is turned out super pretty. I did not even think it would be this way. Wow. And I'm just going to blend both the colors just using the leftover product on my fingers. I really like it. Now for the inner corners, I'm going to use their contour palette, and from that I'm going to use the highlighting shade that is there. Wow, this is beautiful. I'm going to apply a little bit on the brow bone. Now for kajal, I'm going to use the K-Beauty kajal. I'm going to take a kajal and just slightly apply it on my lash line. Just to give it a little definition. I'm going to use this small teeny weeny brush that comes with the Sugar Cosmetics, the palette I mean to say, and just smudge it. Bottom lash line, what I'm going to do is I've applied kajal and I'm going to take this color and just smudge it. Then at the end of the eye, I'm going to take this color and smudge it again. So this is the eyeshadow eye complete. I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara. For that, I'm just going to apply the setting spray, which is known as Grand Finale. It is one of the fastest setting spray ever. I don't know if you can see, but it's giving me so much of volume. Can you see the difference in both the eyes? So this is the eyes complete. Now we come to the best part, which is the lips. Now for lips, I got this very cute mini lip palette, as in lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. It comes in 4 different shades. It's got all the possible shades of red. They come in these sizes, which are so travel friendly. And I'm going to show you the pigmentation as well. It's so cute. The rest of, I just love this red. So these are the 4 shades they come in. I think I'm going to go for this one. I just love it. I think I'm going to go for this shade, which is going to match. You know what? I'm going to do a little mix and match now. Best part about this lipstick is transfer proof. Now that we've done our makeup, I'm going to go ahead and change into my outfit and, oh, you know what? Let's do it right now. So this is how the entire look looks like. So we come to the end of the video. Do subscribe to my channel, ring the bell. Thank you and do take care of yourself. I will see you in the next video. Bye.